Hello, everyone, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. We are back at this game. It's been like an hour, bro. What the hell? Also, if you guys wanna play this game, should I download this game? I don't know, for free. Yeah, sure. I'll download that at like, I don't know. By the way, guys, I played this game for a while, and I wanna make another video about it. This zombie game is actually pretty good, high quality. It's simple, and you know how if you know what you're doing, you may survive. Was that a criminal? I'm just gonna do headshots. Headshots. Double kill? Double kill. What the hell? Nah, what the hell? Hey, little Billy, what the hell you doing? Oh, boo hoo. What the fuck? You better not. You better not. Stupid hoe. Oh, it's gonna be runners. Man, wait. Damn, you don't got resistance. You didn't use the fire axe I gave you. These motherfuckers didn't even use the fire axe. I got I'm sick a little bit, so I'm a little bit sick. I'm a little bit sick. Holy shit! Oh my god! Runner, runner, runner. Extra protection, huh? Oh fuck you! Back off! You. Wow! Oh, I was lagging. I was lagging. I was lagging, fellas. I was lagging. I was lagging. Lag. Last round. Bye, baby blue. Ooh. Damn. Damn. I'm about to blow your heads out. Hey, yo. Pause. No. Shh. Back off. Back off. You fucking bitches. I'll kick you down. Dumb bitch. Dumb bitch. Dumb bitch. Hey. Hey. Back off. No. No. Bruh. Are you serious? We try. We try. No, 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 no. 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 The way they're just eating my body. No, bro, you sure wish. I hate this game. Forget what I said. I'll play some other fans. Bruh, I need to buy a Tommy gun. If I have enough, I will get a Tommy gun. I will probably get a Tommy gun. I think. Wait, am I? Do I still have the? Do I still? Can I still buy that? The other gun. Tell me I don't have to buy. I just lost all, bro. Lost. Oh my. I'm just gonna take my anger on you. Do you know how many money I spent on that? You piece of shit. Do you know how much money? Fuck. 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 Okay. Oh my god. Nah. Oh, wait. Oh, you son of a bitch. Alright. I'm buying this. Okay. Banana. We're gonna just do. You can charge your health and time anywhere. Orphans eat it every day. What the hell? Alright, I could buy this gun. Alright. I didn't actually know there was like a super short shotgun. I didn't know that. Alright, now I could place this bad boy here. Okay, okie dokie. Yeah. Alright. Also, by the way, I didn't really try to find that the Buckshot Roulette game I mentioned in my last video. Oh, bro, what the hell? 6 shots, right? Oh no, that was a revolver. Dude, a shot to the head. This game, these zombies helps are no joke, my boys. Hi, hi, bro. What the hell? Look at you, squiggly diggly. Come in closer. Oh, old lady. Stupid. 200, huh? Okay, I have 200 bucks. I can probably. What can I buy? I can buy a hunting. No, I don't want that. Nothing new. Nothing new. Okay, you buy up to 2 times or just skip. I'm not gonna buy anything yet. I'm not gonna buy anything. I think I'm gonna save up for something. I don't know. Is this a revolver? Oh yes, this is definitely. Why is it not? Why is it weak? Revolvers are really strong. If you guys didn't know, I like guns. I'm not the quiet kid though. I ain't no quiet kid. I'm a loud ass kid, bro. What? I'm sorry, bro. That's your fucking. Give me a second, dog. And runners? Do we have runners yet? Do we have runners? No, we don't have runners. Okay. Alright, alright. This is pretty loud, I think. Cause my. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I am sorry. This could be useful. That could be useful. I think. Alright, I'm gonna save up for the expensive guns. I'm gonna buy the Sterling. I know the wait, what's this one? 5 damage. Oh, I need to buy this gun then. Okay. Also, probably gonna save up for a new run because I wanna. Okay, I'm gonna place these bad boys down here. Done. Now right, this one right here. Perfect. I wanna see how effective these things are. Have at me. Damn, y'all slow as hell. Tess, please be useful. Oh, slows down. Wait, that's so good. So it slows them down, which is actually perfect because there's a runners now. Oh, what the hell? Oh, damn. Did you guys see that motherfucker flying? What the hell? Oh my god. Oh, the armored ones. Here we go. This one's gonna be much harder. Sus, we. Let's be sus. Try me. Damn, boy. I'm just looking at the bullets, bro. The live rounds. Well, no, the blanks. The blanks. Sorry. I did not mean to cut. Alright, 1,000. How much do I have? I could buy. Whoa, wow, that's way too good to be true. Tommy gun. Wait a second, how much was that? Damage. Wait, I need to get that. I actually need to get this. That deals how much? Excuse? The car. I'm sorry. Wait, what the hell? Hey, bro, I'm doing YouTube. Alright. Sorry.
Yan yung binibilang nila ang ano mo. Para makapera ka.
I'm just doing this for fun. Actually, yeah. Yeah.
Para magkapera ka.
Wow. Jesus.
Dibidibalde ka ta. Maki-ergong at kebala.
Bruh, what the hell, man? Nice. I'm about to prove her wrong. I swear I'm about to prove her wrong. You motherfucker. Nope, 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 nope. You ain't touching me. You ain't touching these hands. You ain't touching this body. Got this kicking power. Alright, fellas. Let's prove my grandma wrong. No, 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 don't do that, don't do that. Hey, what the hell? Bro. This deals no damage. I hate this. GG. GG. Wait, why did I do that? Steelers A2. What's this? Let you start defending at the front lines every day. I should buy this. Oh, what the hell? Oh, I understand. And this. Why? I don't understand this one. Alright, here we go. Day 6. I think hold on. Wait. Hold on. Keep forgetting. Alright. New traps to slow down these zombie freaks. And yes, they are called zombies, but I call them zombie freaks. Just smidge it. Yeah, that's oh, I don't know. The fuck, what the fuck? Talk this shit. No! What was that? Perish, noobs. Come on. Oh, back off, man. I'm going straight. Wait, why did I do that? Hold on, I need to place this. Where am I supposed to place this? Back off. Back off, man. 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 Whoa. What does this start? What does this even do? Yes? Yes. What the hell? Come on. That's so cute. So cute. By the way, there's a dog. There's a dog in here. What the hell? Nope. Now there's a new baby in town. There's a new baby. And I'm dead. Alright. Bye bye, guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Love you. Hey. Wow.